Alrighty, so let's try an inequality. What value of P satisfies the inequality shown below? Now be careful. This is asking what value satisfies it. So let's start by solving this inequality. So we are going to use a distribution. So -3 times P is -3P. And then we're going to multiply -3 times a -2, which is a +6, less than -30. So we're going to cover up that variable, that -3p. Got to get rid of the +6 by subtracting from each side. We've got -3p is less than, and I will use my calculator. -30 minus 6 is -36. All right, and I am going to take this and divide it by -3. And what happens when you divide by a negative? You have to flip the inequality symbol. Don't forget that. And I'm going to use my calculator to take -36 divided by -3. And that gives me a +12. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a number line that shows how or what my answers are going to look like, okay? So I'm going to put 0 right there, and I'm going to put 12 up here. And I'm going to change the color of my ink. Uh-oh, I hit the wrong button. Just so that you can see it a little bit more clearly, okay? So P is greater than 12. It's an open circle because it's not equal to, and my arrow is pointing to the right, toward the bigger numbers. So that means I'm going to check, is 0 a solution? Nope, it is not. Where my blue number line is 4 a solution? It is not. Is 12 a solution? It is not, because that circle is open. Is 14 a solution? Yes, 14 would be right around there. So 14 is your answer. So be real careful to look for things like flipping the inequality if you divide or multiply by a negative, and write out that number line and make sure you follow the inequality symbol. I knew it was going to the right because my inequality symbol was pointing to the right. Open circle because it was not equal to. Okay? All right, we've got another one done. Just a few more things and we'll be all done with this review. And you're going to do great on this test.